Hey guys, Suran has returned, Josh is here, and actually tried to react to some of Suran's stuff. I tried to react to her debut, as well as Paradise Go. I love her. Paradise Go and Dang. I've been jamming to Dang a lot. And Paradise Go was a lovely song too. So now she's in a winter mood, and let's see what she's got, because I just adore her voice so much. So let's see what she has in store for us, shall we? Good say, Suran. It's a bit snowing out of the place. There she is. Them leggings. Look at her in her fur coat. I'm already tearing. Jeez, oh Pates. Winter Bird. I almost forgot to tell you. I keep forgetting the title. Tell you guys. This whole outfit right now is just slays. I gotta say, the leggings, the fur coat. It sounded like she was about to cry. I'm having trouble finding the rhythm of this. There's just scattered piano and a voice that just grabs you. Oh, and a piano in the middle of nowhere. I almost forgot. She's a songwriter and a sound designer, I presume. I wonder if she did this herself. I mean, I could be wrong, but just her presence, her smile, and her voice, it's just gold. The gold of winter. Yes, I love her outfit! Everything! Whew, okay. Yeah, this is straight up reminding me of when I was young and I turned on the radio station. Quit looking at me like that. So like I said, it reminds me of when I turned on the radio station and I always slept to this beautiful classic music. I don't really do it anymore, but there were some pleasant times. Whew, moving on. Soothing ballad of a song. I mean, her voice can just fit about anything. Because recently there was Dang and Paradise Go. Her voice can just do anything. My brain couldn't really find the rhythm of it because every second there was a piano here, but then her voice came up here, and it was all like scattered. I might have to listen to it more to get the feel of it. Well, I'm feeling it because the setting of it is nice and her voice is love. I just need to like arrange it in my mind because the mixture is just too beautiful. You just think of the things one by one, but I just think of the mixture. Whew. But a nice Christmas, early Christmas gift, I must say. Every time I see that Suran's like coming out with something, I see comments going like, "Isn't she the one that was featured with Sugar, my Gusty, my baby?" I mean, I love Sugar, I love BTS, but do not sleep on Suran. You need to start looking her up, guys. Come on. I mean, I get a little cringeworthy every time. I'm sorry, guys. That's how I feel. No hate to BTS, because I love BTS, but do not skip out on Suran. Whew, had to get that out. But beautiful video, even though it wasn't that much. There was snow, piano in the middle of the road. But her outfit, though, I love it. I couldn't tell what her color her hair was. Looked like a little brown with blonde. I don't know. But anyways, thank you guys for watching my reaction. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Toodles to all y'all.